A common question that I get asked very frequently from clients when we begin to work together is, where do I even start decluttering? And I know that it can feel very overwhelming at first, but here's the thing. The first set is really about setting the tone. Because you see, decluttering isn't about getting rid of stuff. And when you frame it like that, your whole mindset is wrong, and you begin to go into scarcity and lack because you're having to separate yourself from things. It's not about that. Decluttering is about making space for the new energy that you want in your life, in your home, to propel you forward to the next phase of where you want to be. It's not about tossing things out. It's about creating intention for your space. It's about creating space for the energy that you want in your life. I'm Danni, your architect turned holistic interior designer, focused on bringing more mindfulness and intention into our daily lives via our homes and our office spaces. Welcome to day one of Holistic Home Updates Made Easy. I'm going to guide you through small but meaningful updates to refresh your home energy as we start the new year. You can pick this up at any time during any season that your home needs a reboot, a refresh, or an update. Let's begin. Before we even dive into any drawers or closets, I want you to take a moment to reflect. Grab your notebook and your favorite pen, because I really want you to think about this. What is the energy that you want your space to embody? How do you want your space to feel? How can your space support you? Now, I want you to write down 3 words about how you want your space to feel. For example, it could be inviting, welcoming, charming, warm, friendly, energizing, fresh, romantic, passionate, calm, peaceful, restful, zenful. There's so many ways to describe it. Really think about what it is that you want to feel and what the energy that you want to invite into your space. So maybe if it's calm, it's because you are craving a more peaceful space within your home. If it's vibrant or cheerful, it's because you are craving more of an energized and inspired space. Or maybe it's grounded if you're wanting to feel more soothed and at ease and supported within your space, more centered, more connected. So my 3 words are clarity, supported, and playfulness. These words are going to act as my compass. They're going to guide me along every decision that I make in my space. So your words are going to be your guide as we move forward in our process. They'll help you to make decisions about what stays and what goes and what truly belongs in your space. You just become more aware of your surroundings. Like we did it, that's day one. This is going to inform more of what you have, what you want to keep, what you want to let go of. You're just going to keep these 3 words in the back of your mind as you're navigating your space, and really ask yourself, do these items align with my energy? Do these items align with the energy that I want to bring into my space or not? And if it does, then potentially that's something that you might want to let go of or not. We'll dive into that later down the road. Decluttering is just the beginning. In my home body design program, we take this process to the next level by aligning your space with your intentions. Every design decision, every color, all the layout, all the energy flow, every print, everything is aligned with your personal intentions. Check out the link in the description to find out more about the program. It's not just about what you remove from your space. It is about what you're inviting into your space that support you along your personal growth journey, your personal healing journey, and your wellness journey. That's it. That's day one. It's a simple reflection. Take your time with the process. Be intentional. Starting small is powerful. When we start small, when we take small actionable steps, we gain more momentum in our process because we're less likely to fall off of it. So I'd love to hear what your 3 words are in the comments. What energy are you inviting into your home for this year? And if you're excited to dive deeper into creating a home that supports your energy, stay tuned. I'll be sharing a new tip every day of this month to guide you along your journey. Your home is your foundation, and I'm here to help you make it the sanctuary that you deserve. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.